Hello, I'm Flight Lieutenant John Sully, RAF retired, and I taxi this Lancaster around every now and then. There are four of us ex-RAF pilots that do this all together, so we do it about once a month each. This aircraft is a Mark 7 Lancaster, which is slightly different from most of them, built by Austin Motors at Longbridge, where they built Austin 7s and other cars like that. And it didn't actually see service in the RAF because it was produced in about April, May 1945, right at the end of the war. And it was issued by the RAF in the end to the French Navy in the early 50s, and it flew with them until it was taken out of service in 1965 and offered to anybody who wanted to have a Lancaster. And it was imported back, flown back to UK by a volunteer crew who raised some money to do it, and eventually it was purchased by Fred Panton in memory of his brother. And Christopher Panton, he was lost on the Nuremberg raid. He was a flight engineer, and the aircraft came here in the late 90s, or about 15 years ago anyway, and gradually has been made serviceable, and now is in a engine running and taxiing condition. There is a long-term aspiration to get the aircraft flying, but there's no time schedule on this at the moment. Fred would like to see it airborne, and to that end, in fact, they're gradually purchasing spare parts and spare engines and stuff like that. So they have a spares basis on which to do it. But as I said, there's a long-term plan, but no time scale for it.
on Sterling, converted from Wimpy's to Sterling.
Oh, that was the HCU.